Someone is calling me again, and the number is dialing on the same watch. Let's raise turn the watch on, wrist, and then again gesture, and again. And here we have done this clearly in the second attempt, and it works perfectly.
Wanted to show you this dynamic island, so I'm going to like before playing this song, I'm going to like mute the song so that it won't give any copyright strike or anything later on in the video. So I will be trying to show the dynamic island, not the other thing. Watch, you will be getting 7 gifts. Yes, you heard right, 7 gifts. What? 2 straps comes with the watch. Okay, I will be gifting an extra strap also. Our gaming sleeves to play PUBG or BGMI any game you want. An adapter that have a branded, okay, original brand adapter. A pop socket to hold your phone, but only these 4 brands are available. So choose wisely, and it's totally your choice. You can't exchange any of this. Okay, a 5 piece kit, 360 case for the watch, a screen card, 7 gifts, guys. So hey guys, welcome back to ACETECH Global, and we are here again with the latest smartwatch in the market, and that is HW69 Ultra. This watch is super cool, comes with the latest features like dynamic island in the watch. Yes, you heard right, dynamic island in the watch. Gesture control that you can pick the call with the gesture. Yes, and watch OS 10. Yes, everything is going to be there. This is the best watch in the budget right now. If you want to buy this watch, make sure to watch the review before and then make the decision to buy. So let's come on the box and see how it look and everything. We're going to get a detailed review. So this is the box, watch box. Here there is a branding, or you can say the model number, HW69 Ultra 2. With that, the features here specified dynamic island and artificial intelligence is there. Then you will be getting an application market that doesn't work right now. If you go to the application, that doesn't work in future. I think it will update with time. Okay. Then you can add a local music also. Chat GPT is there. Carbon neutral branding is there. This watch comes with a 100% AMOLED display. Yes, I tested, and this is the totally AMOLED display in the market. So all the 4 sides are blank. If you go to the back side, here comes the specification of the watch. Let's just open the box and see how charming this watch is. So this watch comes with the 2 straps as we open. One is the ocean strap, that is a silicone, you can say, and other one is the Ultra 2 new trail loops that are so good, man. This is the one color I'm wearing, and this is the other color. The color option choosing is not available right now, as we don't have an extra straps of these colors. Later on we have added, but right now you have to just get what is in the box. So let's see what is the charger. It comes with a wireless charger, USB. That's good. And let's see and come to the watch. This is the watch that you have been waiting for. That's totally cool. The weight is also minimal, not too heavy, not too light. The quality seems optimal. Let's unwrap this and see how this watch is looking. Let's just keep this all things aside and insert the strap. Ocean, I love ocean strap just because these are like cost efficient and you just don't have to take care. I think it's like a little bit stuck just because these are all branded, or you can say new right now. Every new thing just gets misplaced sometimes. So just insert, man. Always take care that you are always just pressing the middle button so that it saves you from the breaking of the strap lock. This is the only thing that works as a strap lock. If you just break it, it doesn't work as a strap lock. So yes, we have inserted the strap, and just we are going to open the watch, or I will be saying switch on the watch. The animation is super cool. This video is also available. Oh, you heard, you have seen right, this is the totally good animation. With that you can change the watch, and this watch comes with so many language options. We are going to choose an English language. Then it's a paired, like we have a pair, we are making a Hindi video, so it comes with this animation. So let's just pop up in the watch right now, and totally cool animation. You can see like everything is showing right now, animation. And yes, this is the watch OS 10, like Ultra 2 watch face, the newest watch face that works like a charm. If you click on this, yes, night mode is also there. If you click on this, the every watch face icon is working. Most of them are working sometimes. Like let's see, if we click on this one, it doesn't work, but in the compass works. The you can say activity tracker works. Most of the some works, but most like 50% work, 50% doesn't work. So that's cool with the watch. Okay, though this is the watch face that is working. And if you go to many watches, this watch comes with many watch face and trendy ones also. This is the new Ultra 2 watch face that comes with the original watch also. And if you see this one comes with the edit option. So what you can do, this is the earth. This is the moon, and this is, I can think, it's a Venus or a Saturn. I think it's Venus or Saturn, I don't know. So just click and choose go to back, and here you can see this here. It's totally cool. And here you can see a little rocket that is surrounding the planet. Okay, so let's go and watch other theme menu watch faces. Like this is the talking Tom, and I love this watch face. If you beat this, if you are angry with something, just beat this Tom and don't get let him stand up. Okay, just beat the hell out of this Tom. Beat. Yes, it's done. So that's totally cool, guys. Let's hope and go for the overview of the watch. So if you go, this watch comes with a flat display, AMOLED display, 520 into I think 585 resolution is there. If you go for this action button that is working, speaker is there. The holes you say they are the dummy, not a real holes. If you go for the back side, it comes with a strap lock and screw. If you go for the other side, here comes the scroller working, that is totally smooth. If you see, yes, the button is also working, the mic is there to call and talk on the watch, and the here are the holes, fake holes that you see, dummy holes you can see. So let's see other features. Like here the split screen. If you go this, there is a like a multitasking feature. And on top of that, if you go from down below, this is the new OS 10 that comes with the original watch. Yes, everything is like everything same as original, guys. Totally lovable watch. And this is a notification bar. If you want to access your notification center, then just click on this and you will be getting a race to wake feature of Bluetooth on and off. You can see battery percentage, that will be showing you the graph also. Do not disturb mode. If you want to add more icons, you can do it by tapping on the edit, and just you can add these. Everything is totally cool, like a same as original. If you want to see, you can just see the smoothness of this watch. Comes with the, I think it more than 60 hertz refresh rate, but due to animation features and more lots of bloats, is this watch is not as smooth as GS9 Ultra. Right now, GS9 Ultra is the smoothest watch in the market. But if you go for a feature, this watch is the best feature watch right now. So many features you can see. So let's come to the watch faces and see what are the main features. So here's the time setting. You can just set the time manually also. No other watch comes with this. Some watches come with this, but not the wear fit ones. So let's see, there is a recording sound music also. There is a application connector, barcode scanner. There is a mini lock that you can see, but just don't forget your password. Make sure you don't forget your password. So it is the recording that you can record anything in the watch if you wanted. So this watch comes with the storage. We haven't tested how much storage in this watch right now. So you can say minimum 1 GB storage will be there as other watches offers, but right now we haven't got the idea how much storage, as the company didn't disclose this about the how much GB this storage have. But yes, this watch comes with a pre-added songs that you can listen and add your own songs also, voice recording also, but you can't connect a Bluetooth device to this watch. That's, yes, that's the downfall. But don't worry, this watch comes with a lots of features that are going to that you are going to love it, and you will be forgetting about the TWS. Come closer and let's see what are the other features. Here is the this watch comes with a 3 game. One was that, and other games, 4 games I think so. So here is a Flappy Bird also, and other games you will be getting in the like 3 games. Okay, 3 games are there, guys, and other is the, I think in the application where I have seen that. Let's see, there's a notification also that the watch has been connected and the Instagram messages are coming on the watch. That's totally cool. So other game, yes, we'll be finding it later. Right now I'm going to show you theme menu style. What way, there are so many theme menu style. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 theme menu style, and on top of that you can even set the theme menu style background. I have set it this. Yes, this is the one, the with the background on on application. There is an option you can set this theme menu like the background of the theme menu style. That's totally cool. And add a watch face also of your watches. So everything is like, loved this, everything, man, totally good. So what are the other main features? Let's see, come on to guys, let's see. So what I wanted to show you, this dynamic island. So I'm going to like before playing this song, I'm going to like mute the song so that it won't give any copyright strike or anything later on in the video. So I will be going to show the dynamic island, not the other thing. So if you play music or anything like play music player, then the dynamic island will appear. Okay, so this is the totally good feature that you can know. And if we come on to the watch, there are so many features that like a palm gesture is there, always on display is there. Like this one, the tab, the raise to wake feature is totally smooth. Other than other watches, guys, I love this watch right now. Till now, this is the best watch I have wore, better than Hello Watch 3. Okay, let's go to other watches, other things, key specification. Let's just turn on the always on display. 12 hour, just you have to go full day always on display, always on. Okay, if you want to save a lot, just turn this off. Size, font size also there, so everything is there in this watch. Okay, so let's see in display and brightness. We are there, smoother and touch, everything is there. Okay, if you go for gesture control, that's what I'm talking about. So gesture control is there. Let me show you how to control this. Just connect this watch with the application and call, everything is there. If you want a full video how to connect this watch, just give me a comment below and I will show you a short video. Make a short video for that. Till now I will be going to show you gesture control. Okay,
Here we are going to try a gesture control. So let's see. Let's take the look at the model of the number of the model. So here we are going to go setting, and down I am going to show you the model number. It's SW16, so that you won't be getting confused that it is another model or anything else. SW16, yes, you have seen it. Now we'll be switching on the gesture control to work this feature on. Okay, the gesture control is on right now, and just make sure that this feature is not as accurate as the original watch works. It's like a good feature and working feature in the price range you just get. Okay, now someone is calling on the number. I'll just get it call and then vacant, and I will try like to like raise and then a flick gesture. Again I'm going to try, and this is a second try, but again, and now it's done. So as I told you, it won't be work as that easily or that clearly, but yes, it will be helpful, like if you want to show off someone or like you want to try something in a budget pricing no other watch is giving you. Just try a gesture, like sometimes you have to like shake the watch or like do anything just to wake the watch up. Try your own thing. If you find anything, just comment down below to better work this gesture on. I'm going to try again. So let's see. So someone is calling me again, and the number is dialing on the same watch. Let's raise, turn the watch on, wrist, and then again gesture, and again. And here we have done this clearly in the second attempt, and it works perfectly. So it's totally up to the watch and your hand gesture what works and what works not. Let's end this video and go back to the watch itself.
so the gesture control works fine as per the price. I am not saying that it works 100 of the time, but yes, it works sometimes it doesn't work, but out of 100 times it will work 70 to 80%, guys. You guys are going to love this feature. So what other feature this will give you? Like the gesture control, the dynamic island in this price range, the dynamic island, the storage, the AMOLED display, the dual core processor, everything is there. But on top of that, this which have some bloatwares, many bloats. This will give like some animations also, some you can say videos also added. So this watch will be having so like less of, you can say, smooth as compared to other wear fit models. So come closer, I will show you other features also. Here is a gesture control that I have showed you right now. This is totally cool. If you go for password setting, this also contains, and if you can customize this and this button. So if you double tap this, you can customize this, and single tap also this. I was going to show you sports mode also. That's totally cool. Time setting, you can just manually set your time. Sleep is there, sports, every app that this watch have us a differentiate feature of this watch. So I am in love with this watch, guys, seriously loving this watch. So what I'm saying about the bloats and why this watch is slowing down, just because more of the animation in this videos you can see on the background. If you just swipe it on the and tap on this, there is a running girl running, men running. So due to this consumes RAM and this consumes storage also. So everything this watch contains consuming our RAM continuously, and on top of that storage also. So that was is like going to slow this watch down. And apart from that, watch works smoothly. You can say like this is the smoothest watch in this price with so many features, guys. The calculator is also there, like you guys wanted this feature, and everything in this watch that you can see, guys. Both every feature that like a watch can offer is everything in this watch. You ask and this watch will be showing you, like always on display, full day always on display, heart rate sensor, everything is there in this watch. So if you want to buy and you like this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to buy this watch, you will be getting 7 gifts. Yes, you heard right, 7 gifts. What? 2 straps comes with the watch. Okay, I will be gifting you an extra strap also, a gaming sleeves to play PUBG or BGMI, any game you want, an adapter that have a branded, okay, original brand adapter, a pop socket to hold your phone, but only these 4 brands are available. So choose wisely, and it's totally your choice. You can't exchange any of this. Okay, a 5-piece kit, 360 case for the watch, a screen card, 7 gifts, guys. 7 gifts you will be getting with the watch. Yes, you order 7 gifts with the watch. On top of that, if you want to order, number of below the screen, just ping me on WhatsApp, or you want to buy on the website, you can just place an order on the website. But we don't offer full cash on delivery. As I say in every video, you have to pay some order confirmation amount, rest will be cash on delivery. So if you want to buy, you can visit the shop that is located in Moti, Nagar, Delhi, New Delhi. Okay. If you want to buy, you can buy from WhatsApp and talk on call. Or if you have any note, any issue, and you trust us, like we have other Hindi channel also, and you have come from that channel, you can just place an order on the website and pay 300 on the website. That's it for today, guys. This is the best watch in the budget right now. You have so many features: a dynamic island, AMOLED display, smooth display, and you can see storage also, and gesture control also. Everything this watch comes with the totally, you can say the same as original Apple Watch Ultra right now. This is the best watch that you can spend money on. So let's just wrap up this video, and we will meet you in the next one.